Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is called, I guess, a beard shaving apron, something like that. So let's look at this and see how it works. It looks like it's on a little bit of a bungee here. So it's gonna go like, I guess, like this somehow. Let me see. There's, oh yeah, here it's got some, what's it called? Velcro. I can just Velcro it around there, and look, now it has a little attachment here, so that if I'm doing my beard shaving, this one here is just a electric shaver, but if I was doing that, everything would just get caught in here, and then it's all easy to clean up and do something with, so you dispose of, and it's just a nice nylon thing here, and then I can just take this off and fold it back up again. It looks like it just twists and turns or something like that to get it to be smaller. Stick it under the counter or whatever. Oh, it's got a little bungee here, so there we go. Now it's packed up and I can shave and catch all my pieces and parts with it. Pretty cool. Thumbs up.